Okay, but at this point you should be starting down. If it isn't doing it, you need to disconnect and start down.
Whitecap 329 at departure, turn left heading 160, maintain 2000, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Left heading 160, maintain 2000, runway 31, clear for takeoff, Whitecap 329.
So Burma 29 Victor, make right traffic this time, report midfield right downwind.
3929 Victor, right traffic for runway 31.
Over here at Akhmov.
Tower, 927 Golf is Akhmov inbound.
Burma 927 Golf Hotel, Roger, plan to circle north for runway 31. You're going to be following Cessna traffic on the upwind, about to turn a right crosswind.
Okay, we'll turn to the north and follow the Cessna on the downwind, about to turn crosswind. See ya. Runway change right in the middle of it. Should only go down to 1100 feet anyway.
Circling can go to 700, but I would only go to 11.
Yeah.
Cessna 29 Victor, runway 31, clear for the option, wind 310 at 5.
And 3929 Victor is clear for the option 31.
Whitecap 329, contact Orlando departure, good day.
Over departure, Whitecap 329, good day.
Lucky 334, taxi to runway 31 via taxiway Alpha, and Papa is current, but 31 is going to be the active. Wind is 310 at 5. Lucky 334, taxi to runway 31 for departure via taxiway Alpha, cross runway 22.
That wind is 286.
Lucky 334, Papa is current, but we change the runways. Runway 31 is the active runway now. Taxi to runway 31 via taxiway Alpha, cross runway 22. Wind is 310 at 5. November 7 Golf Hotel, number 2, following the Cessna traffic ahead on the base, runway 31, cleared to land, wind 300 at 5.
927 Golf Hotel, following the Cessna traffic on base, way to land, grade 1. See him.
Yeah, he's right out there.
Right over the water.
Passing him now.